Namaskar. Today we are going to talk about Hindu philosophy, which we also call as Sanatan Dharma. It is a beginning of series of episodes which will help us to understand and comprehend the philosophy in detail. Today's episode focuses specifically on the evolution, which is called Sansara. Ishvara, his supreme form, his three aspects of face, shines out of Prakriti and makes it fall into shapes. Trimurti, which is three aspects of Ishvara manifested to cause Brahmandam, universe, or the orderly system of world. The aspect of Ishvara which he creates the world is called Brahma. Brahma, the creator. The aspect of Ishvara which he preserves, takes care of, and maintains the world is called Vishnu. Vishnu, the preserver. The aspect of Ishvara in which he dissolves the world when they are worn out and is of no further use is called Shiva or Mahadeva. Shiva is the dissolver of worlds. Brahma, the creator, shapes matter into seven tattvani or elements, as they have been called. Different names are given to the first two. We may use the name Mahat Buddhi, the pure reason, and Ahamkara, egoism. The principles of separation, breaking of matter into tiny particles called atoms. Then comes the remaining five tattvas. Akash, which is called the ether, Vayu, the air, Agni, the fire, Apa, the water, Prithvi, the earth. This is called the creation of Bhutadi, elements, and out of all these things are partly made of. It is composed chiefly of them which are dull and inert. The inner life of Jiva cannot show its power, for the coat of matter is so thick and heavy. Next, after the elements, the 10 Indriyas, which are clothed in the elements, and they are the five center of senses. The smell through the nose, taste through the tongue, sight through the eyes, touch through the skin, and hearing through the ears. And the five centers of action, the organs which are hand, feet, speech, generation slash reproduction, and excretion. After the Indriyas, Brahma created in his mind the Devas, who are connected with the senses, and also the Mana, the mind, which is sometimes called the sixth Indriya in the count of first five we have spoken about, and the 11th when we count the 10 together. In the gunas, the tamaguna dominates it, and hence it is called tamsic. In rajaguna, rajaguna dominates, hence it is called rajasic. And in sattva if it dominates, then we call it sattvic. Brahma next created in his mind the host of devas who would carry out the laws of Ishvara, the proper management of all worlds. Ishvara is the king, the one lord, and devas are his ministers. Like the ministers and officials of an early king, the devas are sometimes called the suras. And to see each man gets what he is and why he gets it is basis the karma. So devas were therefore the five rulers. The deva which ruled ether was called Indra. The lord of air was called Vayu. The lord of fire was called Agni. The lord of water was called Varuna. And the lord of earth was called Kubera. In the devas, the Rajaguna dominated. The asuras, the enemies of the devas, embodied and created resistance of inertia of matter, and in them tamaguna was predominant. Brahma then created in his mind minerals, plants, animals, and men, and thus completing the picture of the world, wherein unfolding of power of Jiva, what is now called evolution, was to take place. In Sanskrit, this world evolution or world process is called samsara, and it is compared to a wheel constantly turning on which all jivas are bound. Brahma completed his share of great task of universe, but the forms needed to be clothed with physical matter to be made active beings. This was work of Vishnu, the all perseverer, the maintainer, the preserver of the world. He breathed his life into all these forms, and as the Puranas became and says, Prana in all forms. The Brahmanda, which is in quotes, become full of life and consciousness. Quotes closed. Two aspects of Ishvara had given their life, but the third aspect remains, the one who dissolves, forms, and thus liberates the jivas, calling them to union and bliss. The life of Mahadeva must be poured out to complete the triple jiva of the man, and he might be the perfect repletion or reflection of the triple Ishvara. This was done, and the human jiva began his long evolution, having already passed through evolved mineral, vegetable, and animal kingdom in his previous kalpas. A very beautiful description of the evolution of through the plants and animals to men until is in quotes, the man Atma is manifest, quotes closed, by the mortal he desires the immortal. The special manifestation of Vishnu is called Avatar, and as must not be forgotten, this is what we will talk about in our next episode. Hope you had a good time learning today about Sanatan Dharma and evolution. If you like this video, please click the like button, and to subscribe to our channel, please press the subscription button, and wish to spread the word amongst your friends and families, please do so till we connect the next time, and wish you have a good day. Namaskar.